My fingers are cold.
Are you wearing your fingerless gloves?
No.
No? Glad I put on my leather jacket. I'd been freezing. Probably should have put in the insulation. It's just a little chilly up here.
It is. I agree.
Hopefully my nips don't scrape a hole in my leather jacket.
Your what?
My nips.
Oh. Look at that.
I know, that's incredible.
There's a stop. So on the way back, we'll just stop at every pull-out. Okay?
Stop at every pull-out. You gotta stop at all of them.
There's one I'd like to stop at.
There's one. I don't think we're gonna get back till dark.
I don't care. I've got to get our pictures in.
Lovely. This is just spectacular. That's
really
like a cirque.
Huh?
That's like a cirque where the glacier was and originally starts. You see the circular area down there?
Yeah.
There used to be a gigantic glacier there at one time.
Oh. Here we are, Logan Pass, Visitor Center, half a mile.
Maybe we're going to make it before they close.
I hope so.
Ooh, look at that.
Wow.
I sound like a broken record. Ooh, look at that.
Ooh, look at that. Pretty, pretty, pretty.
Just the fact that it's, you know what, middle of July and there's still snow is pretty incredible.
I know. It is. You're exactly right.
Ooh, the sunshine.
I know. I had to put my sunglasses down. There's the sun. We went to the sun. Going to the sun.
Just don't touch it. It'll burn you.
Yeah, it'll hurt.
Logan Pass.
All right, turn right.
Where everybody else is turning.
Yep.
Not everybody, I guess.
We are turning.
NPS. What's the NPS? Oh, it's a
National Park Service.
Yeah, okay. Is that motorcycle parking?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, it's motorcycle parking. Woo!
It is?
Yeah, man.
Well, we don't have to park in that one. There's like they're all over the place. Here's one.
Okay. Is there room over there for me?
Yeah, right here. Right here, babes.